Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Absolutely genius plan by the Shiba Inu dev team revealed, explained. Satoshi Kusama recently posted that he has COVID and will take a few days off. Despite being very sick, he was concerned about the Shib ecosystem. The dev team is trying hard to keep up with the momentum that Satoshi created. In this video, we will talk about absolutely genius plan by the Shiba Inu dev team revealed, explained. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Let's see what Shiba Inu is doing on the 1st of August. After a decent rise in July, the crypto market struggled to extend gains this month. Signs of economic slowdown on the back of muted manufacturing data in several countries and refresh escalation in the geopolitical worries between the US and China dented the sentiments. Trading volumes also remained light, 4 to 5% each. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower at the $1.05 trillion mark, dropping more than 3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume jumped about 8%, close to $76.49 billion. Shiba Inu was among the hottest meme coins in 2021 after it rallied by over 48 million%. While it has since cooled down, it still holds much potential as a top meme coin that could explode further in 2022. Last few years, Shiba Inu thrived mainly on the hype around meme coins triggered by Dogecoin. However, it has since developed a character of its own, and its intrinsic value is rising. For example, last year, the team introduced SHIBASWAP, a DEX for trading Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. However, the biggest move that the Shiba Inu team has made this year is to introduce the Shiba Inu Metaverse. Given how much hype there is around the metaverse, there is no doubt that Shiba Inu could be among the top cryptocurrencies that do well this year. Analysts are also pretty bullish on Shiba Inu, and most Shiba Inu price predictions expect SHIB to double by the end of 2022. Shiba Inu price has yet to validate either side, the bullish and bearish forecasts mentioned in previous outlooks. An alternative count can justifiably be made based on the newfound technicals. The anonymous founder of Shiba Inu deleted his social media and Medium posts on May 30th, which sparked concerns over the future of the meme coin at the time. Project lead Satoshi Kusama could not shed light on Ryoshi's disappearance. Instead, he directed followers to the mission of fulfilling Ryoshi's vision, completing the Shib, Leash, Bone, Treat, SHIBASWAP, Shi, and Shibarium projects. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts say Ryoshi has returned from his hiatus with a new project called Dejitaro Tsuka. The source of the speculation comes from deciphering cryptic blockchain messages about Dejitaro Tsuka. A Shiba Inu core community member commented that messages on Dejitaro Tsuka blockchain are similar to Ryoshi's communication style. While some may argue that this is a tenuous link, the community member insisted that the on-chain messages correspond with Ryoshi's style. Dejitaro Tsuka's first Medium post, an editorialized version of the blockchain message posted on July 8th, does share similarities with Ryoshi's written style. The message has a spiritual and cryptic form that keeps things metaphorical. We must teach others to be bold yet humble and be not ashamed to be hunters. Tsuka is our place of refuge. We meditate, we reflect, we research, we engage our minds to plant seeds of faith in ourselves and in humanity. Moreover, the message is signed off with "We are Ryoshi." However, logic dictates that bad actors often impersonate others. All left to you. Tsungnian is right. We've been listening. Like the Shanga, we need nothing. We seek nothing. We desire nothing. We are nobody. We are Ryoshi. All hail Tsuka. More and more Ethereum investors are focusing on Shiba Inu and are buying up massive amounts of the DOC-themed token as it's recovering from its recent decline in price. Some investors and traders alike are even suggesting Shiba Inu is gearing up for a 100% increase in price at any time. We share this thesis for the time being, as Shiba Inu is very well positioned at the moment. One of the crypto whales heavily investing in Shiba Inu, Gimli, added 110 billion SHIB coins worth around $3.62 million to his already big crypto portfolio, containing a total of $47.8 million worth of just Shiba Inu coins alone. At the beginning of 2022, Shiba Inu announced that it would create its own blockchain and a decentralized autonomous organization. This puts Shiba Inu in the spotlight for investors and traders alike, as Shib might drop its meme coin tag and become a high-utility token. 2021 was an eventful year for many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, etc. However, Shib scored big in the past year among the front-running tokens. Besides the long-term gains, the Dogecoin killer also recorded some whopping short-term profits that made investors berserk. However, things have been dark for Shiba Inu in 2022. The cryptocurrency was fighting against the bearish trend that surmounted the whole market. Fortunately, Shiba Inu broke through the odds and recorded impressive growth in March. In the past week, it registered a 20% spike according to CoinMarketCap data. On the other hand, Shib Army is also trying to bring Shib back into the spotlight. Constant burnings and newly added features in the Shiba Inu ecosystem are expected to pump more value this year. Therefore, investors are already staking up the Shiba Inu token before it could go on a 2021-like rally. Remarkably, this Shiba rally in 2022 was a big surprise to many crypto enthusiasts. Although Shib didn't disappoint the investors despite the bear takeover, the market was not expecting the beginning of the bull run in March. Shiba Inu has now managed to pair up some of the losses made this year and is already above its 20 to 50-day exponential moving averages. Still, it has to keep up the pace to break its temporary resistance level. But according to predictions, Shib could record a 100% spike this month. Shiba Inu has introduced Shib, its metaverse initiative. To compete with Decentraland, the community has unleashed Shib to form a perceived virtual reality environment. It is aimed to create one of the strongest communities ever gathered in all the crypto's history. Recently, Shiba Inu has made its debut in Netcoins, an online cryptocurrency brokerage that makes it easy to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies in Canada. Besides, fashion brands including John Richmond have announced Shib and leash burns to pump the value of the tokens. Anonymous whales are also purchasing Shiba Inu tokens in large numbers. On 30th of March alone, over 621 billion Shib have been secured by the top ETH whales. There is a controversy regarding Shiba Inu about whether the meme coin will hit $1 in the near future. Shib is one of the top meme coins that have the attention of Ethereum whales to gain 11% as well as 24% in July 2022. The rise in the cryptocurrency price is bullish, with barely a few neutral signs with an upward trajectory. Ethereum whales are adding Shib tokens to their portfolios worth more than $560 million, 22% of their digital assets. The cryptocurrency performs well for Shib investors for its major upcoming developmental projects. These development projects with a Shib burn strategy favor the meme coin as one of the favorite cryptocurrencies in the highly volatile crypto market. Shib investors must expect Shibarium, the Layer 2, Shib.io, Metaverse, Shi Token, ShibaSwap v2, and many more. The Shiba Inu management has launched the burning portal to reward the investors. It has successfully increased the meme coin price by creating pressure on the demand and supply of Shib tokens. The total burns from the initial supply is 410,374,396,897,090, or 410.37 trillion, and the total supply is 589,625,603,102,909 in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu has announced a partnership with the visualization company as a long-term collaborator with Marvel known as the Third Floor. It will help to create and develop virtual environments and landmarks for the metaverse of Shiba Inu. There will be a rise in the meme coin price after the launch of these development projects in the cryptocurrency market. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.